The fascination with space starts young, and the right solar system toy can turn curiosity into a love for learning. From DIY model kits to interactive playsets, solar system toys offer a hands-on approach to understanding the planets, stars, and the vast universe. Key features to consider when buying solar system toys for kids. Before purchasing a solar system toy, parents should evaluate the following factors. Educational value. The toy should encourage STEM learning and enhance a child's understanding of space and planetary science. Material and durability. It must be made from child-safe, high-quality, and non-toxic materials. Creativity and engagement. The toy should include interactive elements such as deer assembly, painting, or storytelling. Age suitability. It should be designed for the intended age group, ensuring both safety and cognitive benefits. Portability and storage. The toy needs to be compact and easy to store after playtime. Customer reviews and ratings. Positive ratings and feedback from parents and children indicate the toy's quality and appeal. Thank you for watching this video and hope you found it useful. Subscribe to us for more parenting tips and discovering best products to buy for your child.